Hey everyone, welcome back. We're on quiz 4.3 and countdown to liftoff. And they want us to basically write a while loop that's going to do some stuff. It's going to do this t minus 60 seconds, and then at certain points, as described here, you're going to say, orbital transfers from ground to internal power as opposed to t minus 50 seconds. Now, given the way that this course has been going, I'd imagine they probably want us to use a switch statement on this. I don't like using switch statements, and I don't particularly feel like the students who are heading towards Hack Reactor or Galvanize need to know them either, so I'm not going to be doing one. However, that's probably another way that you could do this. And if later in this video, when we get all of our if-else statements written down there, it says no, we'll probably just try with the switch statement. So it looks like we're going from 60 to 0, and we've been writing while loops up to this point, so let's create a variable that'll say something like remaining time, let's just go with time. So time is going to start at 60, and we're going to say while time is greater than -1 or greater than or equal to 0. Both of those are going to get the job done. And then in here we're going to start writing our if statement. So if time is equal to 50, and with that, let's jump up here and grab this where it defines what we should say in other than t minus whatever seconds. And put it here just so we have an easy copy and paste situation. So if time is equal to 50, else if time is equal to 31, else if time is equal to, what's the next one, 16. Let me scroll down a little bit. Else if time, what's the next one, 10 seconds is equal to 10 seconds. Tome is not going to really be helping at all. Else if, I think we got one for 6 seconds, time is equal to 6 seconds. And I'm already kind of about to be converted from else if to a switch statement, but programmers are nothing if not lazy and stubborn. So we'll kind of keep that going for now. Else if time is equal to 0, and then else is going to be what we write in the event that none of these cases that we've described is true. So if none of those cases are true, we want to console.log, and we're going to console.log a message that is t minus, and then no space, plus the time remaining. Well, let's double check. T minus 49 seconds would be what the message would look like. So t minus plus time if it's like 49, and then plus a space. Just kidding. Oh boy, everybody calm down. Plus a space and seconds. Do they want a period or anything after that? Nope, just that. Okay. We're going to have a console.log statement for each one of these inner expressions. So for 50, they want us to tell them that the orbital transfers from ground to internal power. That's pretty cool. And we'll wrap that in quotes and put that in here. And I'm going to copy and paste the console.log into all of these. This is not a great idea. You should probably have like an empty console.log to do this. But I'm going to do it just so we have somewhere to, we don't have to keep writing the whole console.log thing each time. So for 31 seconds, this is going to be our phrase. So we'll copy that, go down to where 31 seconds is the case, and paste that in. For 16, we want activate launch pad sound suppression system. I didn't know they had a launch pad sound suppression system. That's pretty cool. I mean, obviously, it's rocket science, so got to be some fun stuff involved in that. Activate main engine hydrogen burn-off system. Well, I feel like that one's a little bit more obvious. And then main engine start at t minus 6 seconds. I feel like you'll probably get a Jeopardy question right at some point if you memorize these. Solid rocket booster ignition and liftoff exclamation point for t minus 0 seconds. So that should be what we want. Feeling kind of lucky, so let's skip the test run for now and just hit submit the answer. Oh, and again we have been hoisted upon the infinite loop kind of thing. So I'm going to try to highlight all of this. It let me. I'm going to hit refresh. Hey, it's still here. Cool. And so the first thing that you're always going to want to do, which I continually continue to not do, is make sure that your while loop is going to end. If you hit a button and you've done a while loop and nothing happens, it's almost invariably the case that you've made an infinite loop. But as we have shown you in the last video, I think, maybe it was the Julia James one, we did an infinite loop in one of the previous videos, and as you can see, it's not the end of the world. It can be a little bit disorienting the first time it happens. Actually, we're doing a little bit too much victory speech for not having submitted the answer yet, so let's do that, see if there's an error. Excellent work. But yeah, as I was saying, don't worry about infinite loops. You can always hit refresh. If you were ever to list like the badge of courage or like the rites of passage of a programmer, an infinite loop is kind of up there. So thanks for watching this video. I hope that you don't create any infinite loops on your own, and we will see you in the next video.